This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making mixed vegetable curry or Chinese style curry Chap Chye. I have a variety of vegetables here. Cabbage and tofu puffs are the main ingredients that you will find in every mixed curry vegetable dish. For the rest of the vegetables, you can use whatever vegetables you like, except for the green leafy types. That's because they don't hold up well in the boiling process. My auntie likes to add in potatoes and daikon radish. So, almost anything goes. Chop up the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. For the lemongrass, cut off the bottom, remove the outer layer, and smash it to help it release its flavor. You will also need some curry leaves. For the curry paste, we will blend together 2 cm of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 medium onion. Add about 80 ml of water into the ingredients to help the blending process along. Add 3 tablespoons of curry powder and mix it well. In a pan over low heat, put in 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry the curry paste and the lemongrass. This curry burns very easily, so make sure that your heat is not too high. If it gets too dry, just add a little more oil. Fry this till the oil separates from the ingredients. Add in the curry leaves and fry it for another minute. Add in the chicken stock or the vegetable stock. Mix this well. Try to use chicken or vegetable stock here instead of water, because this makes a huge difference in the final taste of the dish. Turn up the heat and bring it to a boil. Then, add in the vegetables. I'm cooking for 6 people here, so this may seem like a lot. You can scale this recipe down according to the number of people you are serving. Bring this to a boil again, then lower the heat to a simmer. Cover and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes till the vegetables are tender. Give it a stir occasionally to make sure that the bottom does not burn. I'm going for 20 minutes here as my kids love softer vegetables. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 200 ml of coconut cream. Bring this back to a boil. Now taste and adjust for seasoning. This is mixed vegetable curry or Chinese style curry Chap Chye.